All right, so we're going to talk about continuous toe in the Pat Closet library. And basically, we're just going to draw in baseboard here, right? So the whole idea of this furniture toe is that the major benefit is that if the floor is really out of whack, you don't have to scribe much to the floor. Now, in your classic closet scenario, you don't mind if the floor is out of level a little bit or there's some gaps underneath the toe, they're all going to be hidden. But if there's a really large gap, you just pop on some furniture toe and scribe it to the ground instead of scribing all your panels. Now let's just show you how to do that. We'll go into the molding tab, click on draw molding. We'll go down to baseboard. We'll try 4" here. Okay, and then we're just starting from the left, working our way right. With this one, it's not going to work out great with this corner section, but we could still go flat like this. Come around this side, and now we basically don't have to scribe anything to the floor. Not that we really had to in the first place, but depends on what quality of closet you're trying to put in. We'll go back into 3D. Notice we've got our furniture toe. This one's flush to the bottom. You want to set it down a little bit or add a little extra for scribe. Totally up to you. If you want to just, obviously this baseboard isn't going to go to the CNC. So if you want to bring in baseboard, you can go to your product library, go over to miscellaneous, subassemblies, then the order tab, then you just have lineal toe. You can bring this into the order tab and just cut out 8-foot lengths, change this to 10 if you want, whatever you need to do, and just cut out 4 or 5 of those for the job. Now the other method of avoiding scribe, or if your area just calls for it specifically, is going to be a continuous toe notch, and that's the next video that I'm going to do for you.